Welcome back! Another Destination Modified video for the M4. So we have a Garage Whifbitz Cat-Back, which is just full stainless. They do a titanium system. You can check them out on the website. Also check it on BMWM HQ. Titanium, if obviously you want it to be lighter. I'm not bothered about it being lighter. It's just basic noise. And the system quality is quality. System quality is pretty great. What? Exhaust is great quality, that's why I chose this one. It's also a single mid pipe, so it gets rid of as much as possible of the rasp. S55s are known for. So it goes into a kind of typical 2.5 inch wide pipe. Well, about 2.5 inch Decats, which are MTC Motorsport, which you can also get through BMWM HQ, as much as you can also get the Garage Whifbitz system through BMWM HQ. Definitely worth checking out. It's a nice bit of kit. So when we're going to install this, you'll get a few clips of the before noise. I took a few clips of that, and then you'll also get the clip at the end of it running. And we're also going to be uploading the Bootmod Stage 1 is a classic map, which obviously helps with the whole second sensors and the cats and everything, to get rid of them, stops any engine lights coming on and any limp modes. And then we'll do a few clips of a drive flybys, see what it's going to be like. I don't actually know what it's going to sound like. I've never actually installed one of these yet, so it should be pretty sick. I'm looking forward to it. Should be. It's obviously valved because, well, neighbours and that. It's got the carbon tips. You do get a titanium system. It's got titanium tips. I did actually kind of like the look of it, but like a kind of blunt tip. But anyway, it's got carbon. I'll probably change them. Not 100% set on them. They're all right for now. But yes, enjoy the video and catch you at the end. So it's done. We're all tired. Every single one of us.
Go on, Mark. What time is it?
What time is it? iPhone's dead. That's all it is.
Just quarter to midnight.
Quarter to midnight.
Quarter to midnight on a fucking Wednesday. Thanks, Callum.
I usually off the morning. Oh, the Mac's not. Me and Mark are working. Callum's off the morning.
I'm off the morning. Thank God.
Anyway, it's done. It's something that like mental, to be honest. Obviously, I've done the Bootmod Stage 2 and everything as well. So Crank Hub is probably going to be next on the list. I know some folks say it's a myth. Don't want to risk it. So that's probably going to be next. Other than obviously other bits. And the front bumper was smooth as well.
Looks so good.
Had the typical kind of 4 holes from the normal clip recess, so it's now much better. I just need to now get some sort of removable plate because there's no point in me sticking a normal back on. And get used to the new cover, I guess, because it's, as you can tell by the video, I wasn't used to it. But anyway, it should be absolutely fine. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Again, it's a Garage Whifbitz system with an MTC Motorsport Downpipes. If anybody else wants to compare it against something, I guess. Hopefully it sounds pretty sick in the video as well, because it sounds mental in person. And
what stage is it on the Bootmod?
Stage 2, so I think it's roughly anywhere from like 550 to 580 or something like that. I think, I don't actually know 100%. I need to double check the figures, but I think that's roughly what they are. Stage 1 sure is about kind of 530 to 550 or something, so I'm pretty sure it'll be that. And I've got Burbo's never just now is like quite aggressive, but we'll see. If it gets annoying, I'll turn that down. Depends how much of a shite bag I am. Right, like I said, hopefully it comes out in the video, right? And keep up to date with them, obviously, as always. Like, comment, subscribe, stay up to date with the builds and all the cars. And stay jolly.
Stay jolly.